while we wait on the pistons, on the rings to break free, I figured I'd ask and see if you guys were wanting to see me make a couple videos on the Mustang. I don't know if it'd be something you guys are interested in. I'm doing a 351 swap. Hi, neighbor. I'm doing a 351 swap on this 95 Mustang. This thing started life as a V6 car. You can tell by the wheels. I pulled the motor out of it because the guy said it was burning oil pretty bad. I pulled the engine out, and the pan had 3 different holes all the way through it. So I'd say it was definitely burning oil. But I've got a little ways to go on it. I've already set the motor down in it. Now it's setting in it. I don't even think the nuts aren't even torqued on the engine mounts. None of the bell housing bolts are in it. It's basically just sat in here. I've got a lot of wiring and stuff to do on it. I still got to do all the the cooling system up front and finish up the accessories. I've been kind of fighting the crankshaft pulley because this is the damper I'm using, and the factory one has the pulley built into it, and so trying to find one that would fit on that has been a pain. And even this has the plate is recessed on it. Now it's offset, so one is deeper than the other, but I think I'm going to head to Jigs and get a spacer for that to set that in there flat. Once I do that, hopefully the belt lines up. Now, I did remove the AC for now. I still have it, and I am going to run it, but I've removed it for now because it was contacting the battery tray. I am planning on doing a relocation kit to it and putting the battery in the trunk. But for now, to get the thing running and moving, I wanted to put it up front, kind of leave well enough alone. But yeah, it's a standard T5 car. The thing came out of California, and so there's no rust. It does have this paint peeling, which I'm not too awful worried about. But it's not a terrible looking car. 5-speed. It's the only way to get it. But so this is going to be the power tour car, the drag car, I guess. I don't know. I'm not going to go too fast with it. If I could get into the 12s, I'd be really happy. If I could, I'd like to eventually get into the 13s, but mostly it's going to be a power tour car. I've done this for a couple years now and have an absolute blast doing it. So, but if this is something you'd be interested in watching me make some videos on, I can kind of go around and talk about what I've done already and, you know, document what I am doing. I still have to wire up everything. I've done no wiring. I'm going to run a 6AL box and kind of try to tie it into the factory Mustang system. If I got a nice Haynes manual to help me out here. But yeah, if you guys want to see me struggle bust my way through this, then let me know and we'll do something with it.